My name is Mick Watkins. I'm the franchisor of Diggermate, which is a mini excavator hire company. It's a franchise company, so we've got business owners all around Australia. We are currently at 78 franchise locations around Australia and New Zealand, and we are onboarding at about 4 a month at the moment. We're on site today at one of our Diggermate training days. We're actually here on the Sunshine Coast at the Diggermate Training Centre. It's a great opportunity for our franchisees to jump on our machines and test out the A2 bucket and Heli-Tilt package. There really is a point of difference, and it's really great for the franchisees to get on and actually feel that compared to the other machine and bucket packages that are available here today. I really knew nothing about excavators or tight access earth moving equipment before I started the business. I bought a machine on a whim because I was renovating my backyard. And that's how a lot of our franchisees also start now. Simply as a side hustle, and we teach them everything they need to know about the business to get it off the ground and running successfully. The Diggermate brand is uniquely likeable, and we do that with intention to attract DIYers and trade services to our business. We basically have small equipment up to 3 tonne, which requires no licence or tickets to operate, and we really encourage anyone to come along and have a go on the equipment, get some experience and feel the joy of achievement in operating these machines. Attached to have a premium product and quality workmanship, which is really important in our industry because we encourage people who have never driven excavators before to jump on and have a go. So they get belted around quite a bit, and we want a product that we know is going to last even under the worst circumstances. One of the greatest benefits of the attached to buckets is the point of difference. They're a really high quality bucket, and anybody who has ever used the product before or gets on our equipment and uses the buckets really notices the quality and the efficiency you can get out of using these buckets. So we have a real point of difference now over our competitors, and that point of difference really delivers efficiency and a lack of downtime. One of the problems the performance package solved for us was matching up the hitch with the buckets. For many years we had dramas with buckets and hitches not perfectly fitting together, and this package, once we saw it, once we fitted it, once we used it once, there was no way we were going to take either part of the component separately. For us, it just needs to go together because it's just completely seamless. I personally just like the way they look. I'm sure if you ask any of our customers or any of our operators out there, they'll give you a completely different response in relation to performance. But for me, they just look great on the machines, and when I come from a background that wants to attract customers, then these are a great point of difference for us. The decision to go with attached to was made easier by the team behind the product. There was no nonsense. They told us exactly when the product was going to turn up. They helped us with quantities and configuration and made the purchase process, even at our bulk amount, really, really simple. The feedback we've got from our customers so far who have used the attached to range is they don't want to use anything else in our yard. Diggermate is a rapidly expanding franchise group all around Australia and New Zealand, and it's really important for us to partner with the right suppliers who can deliver us the right products on time, and I'm really excited about the relationship we've started and established with A2 and Heli-Tilt.